All right, this is at the Surety Hotel. Take a look. There's elevators here. Oh, look, they have little lights in them. They've been decommissioned. Very interesting. Wonder what they were. Anyway, the two have been replaced by Kone. Haughton. They were Haughton. Damn, would have been cool. Would have been cool to see them original.
Floor.
These are very dim on the inside. Cab view, well, we got
Going
some light
down.
from the outside bit. Oh, this is so cool. Damn. It's a shame those ones don't run.
Going down.
These have the lights on them too. I wonder if these were added or if they were always there.
Going down.
Damn. They're Kone, I hear the motor.
First floor.
Look at that round exit sign. That's neat. Anyway, that will be it.